Hey guys, it's Tanaya here with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a slime comparison with what am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm doing a slime comparison with 3. Okay, off there. Okay, I'm going with 3. Yeah, I'm just trying to be funny. That was hilarious though. It's funny. If you don't think that's funny, you're weird. So, there's pink, almost purple, green, blue. So, let's get started. Okay, guys. So, my first slime is this glitter slime, because I didn't do this. My second slime. Right there, I got some. No. Right there, got all my slime products. So, which just focusing on here. So yeah, it's like really sticky. It's not really sticky, but it used to be very hard, but now it's getting a little sticky. I guess I added something to make a difference. So yeah. Oh my god, my waist hurt. It's great pokey. It's like really soggy. No, it's really silky. Cause as I'm not. Well, that's just it's my friend texting me, so I'm about to text her back. There. But it's really pokey, a little bit sticky, stretchy, big great bubbles. It's really like silky stuff. So yeah, I like this one. Into the next one so I can text my friend back as soon as possible. Because I want her to kill me. Because she's in North Carolina. Shucks. So, this is my pink, almost purple slime. It's pokey. It's like kind of jiggly. And making bubbles that kind of blocks it. It smells horrible, let me tell you that. It makes pretty good bubbles. This would be my 3rd favorite slime, depending on how good it was. But on the color of this would be my 1st. It barely stretches, like, and then just breaks apart. I kind of want like a jiggly slime. That's what I was aiming for. But I think I just ruined this slime. But you know what? We're still going to keep it. It looks purple like in here. Kind of purple. I'm not sure. It's kind of darker pink. So yeah, next one. Because that is it's time. So y'all can see. Oh! It's going to be a short video. So yeah. This is pokey. Stretchy. Makes great bubbles. Great popping noises. It's like really this. It will hang there. Because my first video I made a lot of mistakes. Because I really had this on my feet. And then it dropped on the carpet, but good thing it didn't stick. It was hilarious. But well, it's crunchy. It's not very crunchy. this is good too. So, my favorite slime based on texture is the green slime. You never doubted me. Let's have a closer thing. Hold up. See, this takes time. One. No, God, I would just switch. No, it's good. I don't care. If it's the wrong one, I don't really care. To me, I think I'm like so competitive about me. I don't think so. Because that looks like the same as that slime over there. The pink one. That's broken. It's broken. Then, like, I'm gonna be doing a slime tour where I keep all my slime products. It's not a lot, just a little that, a little this, a little that. So, yeah. Hey. You're like, hi. It's hilarious, believe me. That's how good it's gonna be. So, yeah. Wait, what? Am I gonna end this? Yeah, I'm gonna end this. I'm pretty sure I'm ending this right here. So, let's get comfortable again. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Smash that notification button because I'm a teenager. Remember, me, call me. And comment down below notification squad to get a shout out. Someday. So, yeah. See you later. Peace, guys. Bye.